So now we have our hip abduction exercise. So with this exercise, you want to set up with the band around your outside leg. In this case, it's Joe's right leg. So what I'm going to have him do here is he's just going to kick his leg straight out to the side. He's going to hold for about 1, 2, 3 seconds and come back nice and slow. You can take a break if it's a little tough. He's going to come back out again, 1, 2, 3 seconds, and come back nice and slow. So a lot of times we tend to see patients with a lot of hip replacements, and that's pretty common. So this is one of the first exercises we have them do in order to strengthen the musculature around the hip and to make sure that everything is nice and centered. And that is our hip abduction exercise.